All right, guys, 2014 Chevy Silverado 5.3, beautiful truck. We appreciate him coming down to us. He's been watching our channel for a while. Factory converter. Then what we did on it is true dualed it, as you guys can see, all the way back. And because it comes with one regular cat, we had to put two high flows in its place to true dual it, because you're not allowed to cut cats off and straight pipe them. So it's against the law. Even though Tennessee doesn't have emissions no more, we still can't cut the cats off. So we replaced it with two high flow cats right there. Then we ran 2 1/4 all the way back into two mandrel bent tailpipes, as you guys can see there and right there. And then finished it off with two 5-inch angle cut tips to complete the look and complete the sound. When we always do the bigger tips on these, when you true dual them, it just cleans up the sound, makes it really clean, really nice, as you guys can see. There's the true dual setup on it, right there. There it is, all the way through. And here's the part number on the angle cut tips. If we can get you a link, we'll get them. Here it is right there. And then the rest is just custom pipe. You have to take it to a muffler shop to get them custom done. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And there's the old exhaust I was on. It was single exhaust right there. We took it out. Had a knockoff Flowmaster, and there's the stock tailpipe. Had a resonator to it. It's better. Do you approve? Yes, sir. You can hear the pop now. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead, rev it hard. It looks so good with a 5-inch. See, they're 5-inch, but when they're like on the truck, they disappear. They're not that big. I like it. That's perfect. Got that perfect crackle to it, you know? You guys hear on the inside. True dual high flow cats, 5-inch tips. Perfect. Oh yeah, you can still hear that beast. Love it. Enjoy, guys.